In today's fast-paced business world, managing invoices can be time-consuming and error-prone. I, Rohan, and my friend Swapnil bring you a smarter way to streamline your invoicing process. Introducing square-pos-app. It's an app that is built for the Square Developer Hackathon 2023. square-pos is a simple and automated solution designed to make your invoicing job seamless. Integrating with the API in use is a sleek way you manage invoices. In this video, we will explore the features and functions of square-pos. Let's dive into an example scenario. Imagine Rohan's Auto Care, a two-wheeler spare parts shop. They use this POS application built with Electron and React as front-end frameworks, featuring two key pages, POS and Invoice. Let's take a closer look at both of them. At the top, we have a convenient search bar that allows you to quickly find and select customers by their registered name or phone number with country code. Next to the search bar, we can find an option to add new customers, enabling you to input their essential details such as name, contact information, or any specific details about their vehicle. Once the customer is selected, we proceed to fill the further details. First, we have the description field, where we enter the item being sold. For example, a lock kit. The quantity and MRP with discount are filled in manually, while the Square POS handles all the calculations automatically and generates the final amount. Press enter to move to the next field. After entering the new item details, fill in the necessary information, and when you reach to the last row first column, press enter to save the invoice. A pop-up appears asking, do you want to save the invoice? You can proceed by choosing either yes or no, using the keyboard buttons Y and N respectively. Alternatively, you can also use the mouse to click on the buttons. After saving, square-pos provides options to print the invoice and send it directly to the respective customer. At the bottom of the PDF, you will find a payment link that redirects you to the Square payment procedure.
square-pos utilizes several API to drive its functionality. We leverages the list customer endpoint to retrieve all the customer data, the create customer endpoint to add customer, the create order endpoint to create order, the create invoice endpoint to create invoice, and finally the publish invoice endpoint to publish the generated invoice. Now the invoice page. The invoice page display a list of all previously created invoice, including the invoice number, creation date, customer name, and print option. We have integrated a list invoice endpoint to retrieve and display the invoice, retrieve customer endpoint to get customer detail, and retrieve order endpoint to get the list of item of the order. Simplify your workflow with Square POS and streamline your invoice management effectively. The link of the demo and GitHub repo is in the description, so feel free to look at that. Thank you.